You don't mind if I record this, right?
Okay, you're fine. Alrighty, everybody, for your safety, please remain seated at all times. Keep those hands, fingers, paddles inside the canoe. Parents, please watch your children. And children, please watch your parents.
So many ducks.
Yeah.
Alrighty, how we all doing today? Guys, that was really sad. We're gonna try this again. This time I want y'all to pretend we're at Disneyland, okay? How we all doing today?
Yay!
Alright, a little better. Are we at least ready to paddle? Well, I sure hope so. You did stand in line for this, okay? Paddles up, everybody, paddles up. We're gonna put one hand here on the handle, our other hand here on the base. Make sure your blade is facing outward, not in your partner's face. On the count of 3, we're gonna put our paddles in the water. We're gonna reach forward and pull back on 3, okay? Ready, set, go, 1. One person that listened, guys. On 3, I know numbers are hard. It's okay. We'll go over shapes and colors later. Let's try this again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and stroke. Stroke. Good job, everybody. Keep that up. Well, let me welcome you to the Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name is Aurora. I will be your river guide for today. And in the back, steering us around the river to safety, is my best friend, Lily. Everybody turn around and say, hey, Lily.
Hey, Lily.
Yep, keep paddling. That brings me to my rules. Okay, rule number 1, always stay paddling. This is a real canoe. There is no track, no motor, so if you don't row, we won't go. Rule number 2, please no intentional splashing. This water is the most dazzling shade of disgusting. You don't want it on you. And rule number 3, please remain seated at all times. There is no standing or switching seats. Alrighty, friends, are we ready to go faster?
Yeah!
Then paddle faster. Alright, not bad, not bad. Does anybody know how we measure speed on a boat?
Knots?
Knots, that's right. So I would say back then we were going about 5 knots. 5 of you not paddling. Just right over there at the village, that is where my ex-boyfriend lives. I don't know how I missed all those red flags. Anyways, want to take a break? Yeah, that's what he told me. He gets it. Alrighty, friends, go ahead and give me 3 good strokes and we'll take our first break. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stroke 1, 2, and 3. Take a break, friends, take a break. Just right over here, we're passing what we call our thinking tree. That's because it's around this time you start to think, why did I get on this ride? Why was that line so short? Why am I doing manual labor on my day off? All valid questions, okay? Alrighty, friends. Now I do have to warn you, we are beginning to approach our second half of this journey. And this second half, it is gonna be the most dangerous half, okay? We are approaching what we call full public view. So that means all of Disneyland is gonna be watching you. And we are in Orange County, so they will be judging you, okay? So please smile big, paddle hard. Make this ride look like a good idea, yeah? All right, paddles up, everybody, paddles up. On 3, ready, set, go. 1. Twice is embarrassing. Yeah. On 3,
Ouch.
ready. 1, 2, 3, and stroke. All right, let's keep on going. Sorry.
What? I just want to paddle. That's all I want to do. Oops. Let's keep splashing. Watch out, watch out. Sorry, I keep changing my stroke pad. I keep screwing you over. Sorry, Lauren.
Congratulations, you guys have officially become my fastest canoe to slow down coming around that corner. Really took my breath away. All right, go ahead and take a small break, friends. Take a small break. Is it anybody's first time on the canoes today?
Oh, today?
All right, yeah, I can tell. Anybody's last time on the canoes? We're all gonna come back. All right, we'll see about that. Alrighty, friends, paddles up, everybody, paddles up and inside the canoe. Please remain seated, keep those hands, fingers, paddles inside till we have stopped. Parents, please watch those little ones.
How do you not splash, Kevin?
I think I splashed a little bit.
Really? A little bit went on my mouth.
Alrighty, friends, did we have fun today?
Yay!
Are we gonna go again?
Probably not.
No, it's not on my canoe, okay?
But you know what that area you can like.
Alright, friends, I had so much time out there with you all. I wrote you a little poem.
That's the worst
It
time.
goes like this: roses are red, violets are blue. Get out.
Laura, I got you.
Alright, look down and watch your step, please. You're gonna put those paddles in the green paddle box.
Right over here, folks.
Straight ahead
Head
behind
to the
me.
left, right down here.
Have a great day, everybody.
You too, thank you.
If you have a life vest, we got you over here
I
on the
can take
left.
the life jackets right over here, folks. I can take the life jackets.